Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're looking to ditch the daily commute and work from the comfort of your own home, you're in the right place. Today, we're highlighting some effective strategies for finding work-from-home jobs. Let's get started. First things first, know your skills. Take a moment to list out what you're good at. Are you great at writing? Are you artistic? Do you enjoy interacting with and helping people? Understanding your strengths will help you target the right job opportunities. Next up, utilize job search websites. Some popular platforms specifically cater to remote work. Here are a few to check out. FLexJobs, a premium service that curates remote job listings. We work remotely, great for tech and creative jobs. Remote.co offers a variety of job types, from customer service to programming. LinkedIn, use the job search filter to find remote opportunities. Upwork.com, great for people who are looking for customer service, programming, video editing, and everything else in between. A list of links is provided in the video description for more places to search online for remote jobs. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Let your friends and family know you're looking for remote work. Join online communities and social media groups focused on remote jobs. Sites like Facebook and LinkedIn have groups dedicated to job seekers. Don't also forget job boards such as Indeed, Monster, and FlexJobs in your search. When you find positions that interest you, tailor your resume and cover letter for each application. Highlight relevant skills and experiences that align with the job description. This can make a huge difference. If you land an interview, prepare as you would for an in-person one. Make sure you have a quiet, well-lit space for the call. Research the company and practice common interview questions. During the interview, explain why you would make a great fit for the position and how the company would benefit from having you on the team. Remember, first impressions count, even online. Keep track of the jobs you apply to and follow up when necessary. Use tools like spreadsheets or task management apps to stay organized. This will help you manage your time effectively and avoid confusion. And that's it. Finding work-from-home jobs takes a little effort, but with the right approach, you can land the perfect position. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on job, financial, and career advice. Good luck and happy job hunting!